Just got into these bath towel hooks. They can actually be used for much more. We're going to get them opened up, check them out, and installed. These are really heavy duty. They're made out of metal. They come in a polished nickel and a polished chrome. This is in the matte black finish. Comes with their hardware to install it. Has the Allen wrench, which will be for your set screw on the bottom. You'll just want to take this and loosen this off. This bottom plate is what you're going to be mounting onto the wall or to the door, wherever you're going to install it. You're going to need a screwdriver to insert the screws into the wall. Also, it wouldn't hurt for a drill, pre-drill the hole to put your sheetrock anchors in and get it good and secure. Let's go get it put up. Okay, we're going to install this on a solid core wood door right here. So we're really not going to need the sheetrock anchors. We'll get it right in there. So you want to take your back plate, put it in place, get your pencil, marker, whatever you have, and mark your two spots where you're going to put it. Get it marked good, and then you can get a drill and drill 2 holes. You don't need to go all the way through, just get them started. Now, we'll just take this plate, put it on here, get your screws, and screw it in. Now, once you have your back plate in place, go from the top down, get your Allen wrench, tighten that set screw up. Now you've got it attached. So you can put a towel on there or just whatever you need to, and you're good to go. You can also put these like in a storage shed or a garage. You could hang a hose on there, extension cords, lawn tools, and you could hang your mop from here in a utility room if you wanted to. Like I said, very versatile.